Imagine this: you're standing on a quiet street, staring at the night sky, when suddenly, the stars begin to swirl like paint in a mad artist's canvas. The moon stretches into a grotesque smear, and the ground beneath your feet trembles, as if the earth itself is screaming. In that frozen moment, you realize our planet is plummeting toward the ultimate abyss, a black hole. What happens next isn't just the end of the world, it's the unraveling of reality itself. It starts subtly, almost innocently, like a whisper from the cosmos. Astronomers spot it first: a distant anomaly, a gravitational pull that's just a bit too strong, tugging at the outer planets. Saturn's rings wobble unnaturally. Jupiter's storms rage with newfound fury. Curiosity grips the world: is this a rogue asteroid, a passing star? But as the data pours in, the truth emerges. A supermassive black hole, lurking in the shadows of our galaxy, has shifted course, or perhaps we've been drawn into its inexorable grasp. News headlines scream speculation. Scientists debate in hushed tones, and humanity watches the skies with bated breath. What could it mean for us? The adventure begins, but oh, how quickly it turns to dread. As Earth hurtles closer, the first signs of fear creep in. Days grow longer, nights shorter, or is it the other way around? Time itself begins to bend. Clocks tick erratically, your watch runs slow one moment, fast the next. The sun hangs in the sky like a reluctant spectator, its light warped into eerie halos. Tides surge without warning, oceans rising in colossal waves that swallow coastlines whole. Cities by the sea vanish under foaming fury, skyscrapers toppling like toys in a child's tantrum. You feel it in your bones, a subtle pull, like gravity has doubled its hold. People stumble in the streets, animals flee in panic, and the air hums with an unnatural vibration. Whispers turn to shouts. We're being dragged in. Panic spreads like wildfire. Governments issue futile warnings, and the world holds its collective breath, teetering on the edge of terror. But this is only the prelude. As we approach the event horizon, that invisible boundary where escape becomes impossible, the true horror unfolds. The sky twists into a nightmarish vortex, stars streaking into elongated trails of light, bending around the black hole's maw like rivers flowing into a drain. Colors shift, blues turn to violent reds, the atmosphere igniting in auroras of doom. Earthquakes rip through continents, fissures opening like wounds in the planet's skin, spewing molten rock and ash. Mountains crumble, valleys flood with displaced seas. You stand there, heart pounding, as the horizon warps, buildings stretch skyward, then snap like brittle bones. The air grows thick, heavy with the scent of ozone and fear. Screams echo across the globe as gravity's grip tightens, pulling harder on your feet than your head, making you feel like you're being torn apart from the inside. Deeper we fall, and the cosmic horror engulfs us. Time dilates to a crawl, seconds stretch into eternities. From afar, observers, if any exist, would see our planet frozen at the edge, redshifted into oblivion. But for us, the agony is real and relentless. Spaghettification begins its merciless work. Earth's crust elongates, oceans drawn into thin ribbons of water that spiral into the void. Cities aren't just breaking, they're being pulled into threads, steel and concrete unraveling like yarn. Your body screams in protest, bones elongate, muscles tear, blood vessels burst under the tidal forces. The pain is unimaginable, a symphony of destruction where every atom fights to hold together. The black hole's singularity looms, a point of infinite density where physics breaks down, crushing matter into nothingness. Stars that once guided sailors now vanish into the darkness, and the universe itself seems to mock our fragility. Is this the end? The final curtain on humanity's brief flicker in the cosmos? Yet, in the midst of this apocalyptic bullet, a veil of mystery descends. As Earth crosses that fateful threshold, reality fractures. What lies beyond the event horizon? Science whispers of possibilities, wormholes bridging distant realms, or perhaps the birth of a new universe from the ashes of our own. Could our doomed plunge be a gateway, not a grave? Imagine atoms reassembled in alien dimensions, consciousness scattered across multiverses, or time looping back in eternal recurrence. The black hole devours, but does it destroy or transform? In that infinite darkness, where light dares not tread, the question hangs like a shadow. Is falling into a black hole the ultimate annihilation, or the doorway to wonders beyond our wildest dreams? The cosmos holds its secrets close, leaving us to ponder in the thrilling silence of the unknown.